Good morning, guys. I'm just getting ready to leave to head over to Nadja's place, Jason's mom. She asked me if I wouldn't join her and accompany her to the funeral tomorrow. So I'm gonna stay there tonight. I'm just charging up the electric unicycle fully before I leave. And I'm bringing some of Jason's clothes and toys. And this thing I'm bringing over to my cousin's place because while I was over there last time, what was that, a day or two ago, when I was picking up my protective gear, I also showed him all of my electrical tools. You know, they had arrived in the same package. And because he's an engineer, he's very much interested in using all those tools. So I had to give him a little crash course on all the different crimp connectors and just all the different stuff I had. Some of it he knew about, some of it he didn't. Some of it he knew about, he didn't have experience with it. But yeah, I promised him that I would bring him some batteries. And I got this one for that. It's broken, it doesn't work. I mean, I guess you could fix it, but it's not really a proper vehicle. So yeah, we're just gonna scrap it for parts and make some projects out of it. I think I'm also gonna bring him some of these. Mike and Kiki, they're a big fan of these disposable vapes. They got some batteries you can extract from there that you can use for all kinds of projects. So I'm gonna bring those for him as well. Hey guys, I made it to the train station. And what I didn't show you is I just went and bought a Kokyo, one of those chocolate milks I like. So I'll have a bit to drink on the trip. I just gotta wait a good 15 minutes or so. The air, the temperature is nice today. So I'd planned to edit videos while I was on the train, but I met a nice guy, asked him for a cigarette on Nyborg station, and he gave me one. We started talking about, you know, what happened to Mike and all that. He related back that he had a similar situation with a friend of his back in his mid-20s, and that he basically started being like an uncle to his daughter after he died. And yeah, we just ended up talking about a ton of stuff, like apparently the biggest gill, I don't know what that's called in English, but a type of fish was caught recently in a lake right next to where he lives. 19.6 kilos. Craziness. But yeah, we talked about everything from fishing to politics to traveling around Nomadic, traveling around in Turkey, just all kinds of stuff. Really interesting guy, really interesting conversation. He gave me a lot to think about. Undskyld, jeg fylder. Here we go. We're arriving in my birthplace. This is where it all began. Alright, here we go. I made it to Albertslund. Gonna meet Nadja and Jason in a little bit. Met up with Nadja and Jason. Now me and Jason are playing on the playground. Nadja's just taking care of some business. She'll be right back. Okay, hold fast. Hold godt fast. Du skal helt ind til staven der, ellers så falder du af. Okay. Hold fast, hold fast, hold fast, hold fast. Det er hurtigt. Hold fast. Ja, så bliver man rundtosset, hva'?
Ja.
Kom, så gynger vi. Hey!
Kan du nå?
Yeah, Lord forgive me, pour the Henny, punish many, my word bond. Not James Bond, a money penny. Talk friendly or the Desi make confetti. In the cut like machete till I'm ready. Q be, baby, we rise to the occasion. Didn't know niggas is soon to be awakened. How they sleep with the truth in their faces. Yelling fuck the world, I'm out here making new races. Middle finger to a racist. Hammer out, tell a coward take 10 paces. Limestone over the body, no traces. Just the basics, the other way, fake shit. Stay grip, life my main bitch, protect that. Tell you what it is, this that you ain't gotta guess rap. Everything a lesson to a fool is a setback. Shorty love my style, guess what, she keep her legs wrapped, nigga. Middle finger to our enemies. I'ma hold it down even if I catch a felony. Yeah, open season, open sesame. Anybody violate, gotta give them all the best of me. Doing shit that I wouldn't ordinarily. I'm laid back till they came back with that jealousy. But this music is my therapy. Y'all niggas lucky cause I make it all memory.
Writing in my nocturnal journal to a dark beat on a cold dark night. I came up with these 400 words that best describe me. In my lifestyle, I'm not like you, I'm unique. In the twilight, I shine bright and get my mind right. I was born under the full moon and I'll die.
I just got back. Natcha asked me to buy some milk and some cigarettes, and I'm gonna smoke one of those for myself. Yeah, we're just gonna have some dinner now. Jason's, he just peed his pants. I just helped put him into the shower. We just gotta get to bed early so we can all get up tomorrow in good time and head to the church, all of us together. The sweet lady who cut my hair is showing up too. A bunch of people are gonna show up tomorrow. I'm sure I'm gonna meet people from my childhood and from my youth as well. A lot of people from Europe, the town me and Mike grew up in. It's gonna be interesting. I'm glad to see Natcha's doing good. I was concerned for her, you know, that she would end up fucking up in one way or another, but she seems to be holding it together for now. She just has to know that she's not alone. I'm gonna do my best to help the two of them. Of course, in a limited capacity over the next half a year while I'm traveling with Dion. But after that, I'm gonna try and do some more for them. That guy I talked with in the train today, he explained how he's basically become kind of a father figure for this girl who's now 17. Because when he was in his 20s, his friend died and left a daughter behind, and he just said what's worked really well for him is to kind of make a tradition that at the very least one day a month that you show up on that particular day. I'm sure that's not going to be possible for me here in the beginning, but eventually I'll be able to do something like that. It's not even about, you know, keeping up with the promise I made Mike of taking care of, or at least looking after his son and his baby mama. For me, even if he hadn't asked me that, I would have still wanted to, you know? Oh yeah, and the reason I was even able to buy the milk and the Kinder eggs for Jason is thanks to my cousin. My sweet cousin, yeah. He's always looking out for me. Just a simple dinner today. We just added some oregano to these. Preheated the oven for 200. Oh, let's get it. Diva's sniffing the backpack because it still smells like Mike. She misses him. He was the one who made her he trained her to be able to touch her. In the beginning, no one could touch her. Now we're just about to eat some pizza, all of us, and watch the original 101 Dalmatians cartoon. I love this chocolate. They put something very addictive in this chocolate, I swear. We're just trying to get the last dinosaur Jason needs. He has every single one of them, multiple of each. But he still needs to get this one with the blue around the eye. And this one is his favorite right there, the green one.